Hello, my name is Debbie Robinson and I'm the Warden of the County of Renfrew. I'd like to begin with my sincere thanks to all of you for your continued efforts to reduce the spread of COVID-19 in our community. I know this isn't an easy time for any of us as we all try to adjust to our new reality at home and at work, but it helps to know that we are all in this together. Each of us is making a difference in flattening the curve when we practice physical distancing, stay at home, and wash our hands. As your warden, it is my responsibility, along with County Council, to ensure the essential services we provide the residents of Renfrew County continue to operate during this most difficult time. Our paramedics are working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week as usual, ready to respond to any emergency. However, they are doing much more than that these days. Your paramedics are working to support the entire healthcare system in the county. They are assisting in the screening process and testing people who may have symptoms of COVID-19. They go to work every single day, knowing full well that they are at risk of exposure, but they continue to come day after day after day to do everything possible to ensure your health and safety. Dealing with this pandemic has resulted in a Made in Renfrew County solution with the creation of the Renfrew County Virtual Triage and Assessment Center. It's an around-the-clock service for anyone with healthcare concerns, including COVID-19. At the end of this video, we will put up the phone number so you can write it down just in case you ever need it. The County of Renfrew operates 2 long-term care homes, Miramichi Lodge in Pembroke and Bonisher Manor in Renfrew. The men and women who work in these homes, the nurses, the personal support workers, the cleaning crew, and the food preparation team all continue to leave their families and the safety of their homes every day and go to work. They hear the news about outbreaks in long-term care homes across the province, but still, they choose to show up. They know the residents need them, and they know you are counting on them to provide care to your loved ones with compassion and respect. We have also put every precaution possible in place to contain the spread of the coronavirus. We had 1 confirmed case of COVID-19 at Miramichi Lodge 2 weeks ago. The individual is a member of our staff and has been in self-quarantine since that time. There have been no further positive cases and none whatsoever at Bonisher Manor. If the situation changes, we will be as transparent as possible and disclose what information we can at that time. You have my word. In your communities, our social service staff is still working for and with you. Our Ontario Works team is assisting anyone who needs help accessing one of the many federal or provincial financial assistance programs being offered. If you are having trouble paying your bills or buying food, please reach out to them. There's no shame in asking for help in this unprecedented time when so many businesses have been forced to close, putting many hard-working people out of a job. Our local economy is struggling, as is the case throughout Ontario. Our economic development staff members are in touch daily with business owners, tourism operators, industry, and manufacturing representatives. We care about you and pledge to do everything in our power to help you make the long journey back to prosperity. I know the Renfrew County we have today is not the one we had 3 months ago. We are a group of vibrant communities, steeped in tradition, determined to make our own way, and always ready and willing to help out a family member, a neighbor, or a friend. We can still do all these things, just in a different way. None of us know how long we will be asked to stay in our homes and practice physical distancing, but I'm certain it's not going to end anytime soon. What we do know is that the measures that have been put in place are working. We've come this far and kept COVID-19 at bay in our county. We're doing the right things. We have to stay the course and not let our guard down. Every time you leave your home, you are at risk of contracting the virus or passing it on. So I'm asking you to do the right thing for yourself, your family, your friends, and for the frontline healthcare and essential workers. Stay at home. Only go out for essentials, practice physical distancing, and wash your hands often. And above all, Please stay safe.